significant embarrassment for the Eknath Shinde-led Maharashtra government. A Switzerland-based firm has served a legal notice over unpaid dues for hospitality services provided during the World Economic Forum in Davos earlier this year. The company has alleged non-payment of 1.58 crores in relation to the Davos visit by the Maharashtra delegation, while 3.75 crore payment has already been done. Now, this controversy has sparked a political storm, with opposition leaders accusing the government of financial mismanagement and overspending. Aditya Thackeray and Rohit Pawar have slammed the Shinde government, calling for accountability and transparency in the state's financial dealings, further going on to say that the payment default will harm Maharashtra's reputation. However, State Industries Minister Uday Samant has defended the government, saying that they haven't overspent. The legal notice warns of a potential lawsuit if the dues remain unsettled, stating that the company has faced substantial financial losses due to the delay. Crossing over to my colleague Shweta, who joins us on the broadcast for more. Shweta, one of the representatives of the government has basically said that this isn't about overspending, that they're saying that they haven't overspent. But this matter is not about overspending, it's about the non-payment of dues. So what exactly is the response from the Maharashtra government there?
Well, that's right. In fact, this is a significant embarrassment for the Mahayuti government, where the Swiss firm sends the legal notice for the alleged non-due of payment of 1 crore 58. Now, what we also understand here is that opposition has already grabbed this opportunity and hitting out at Mahayuti government. They have very categorically stated that this is bringing more shame to the reputation of Maharashtra. Also, it highlights the mismanagement, and there's no accountability from the CM Shinde government side. Apart from this, what we also understand that the Davos trip which happened, the CM in fact participated in the World Economic Forum, that's WEF, that was held in Switzerland. The hospitality bills are remaining, the accommodation bills are remaining. This is what the firm confirms with the sending the bills. Now, what we also hear from the Mahayuti government, the industry minister Uday Samant has spoken that the bills were cleared, but there might be some bills that are not cleared. While asked the same question to MIDC CEO, he was really not aware of this case, that there are any bills which are pending. But yes, the Mahayuti government is somewhere landing in trouble due to the non-payment of the bills of the Davos. Apart from this, we also see that it's not just Aditya Thackeray, but also Rohit Pawar and significant leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi are blaming this Mahayuti government for in fact showing the non-payment of the bill, and also the mismanagement of the finance that is happening in the state of Maharashtra.